coin ring maker. Mail time. Got 3 packages today. We're gonna start with the smallest and work our way up. Let's see what's in the little one. Whoop. As you can see, I've got this one nice and ripped open, and there's something in there. Let's see what it is. So this is actually pretty cool. I won this on eBay. It's 3 Barber Quarters, and usually I get them in this kind of rough / smooth condition, which I don't mind. They still make very comfortable rings. I got 2 like that, kind of smoothish, still a little bit of detail. And then I got the nicest Barber Quarter I've probably ever seen. Like, look at the detail on this thing. I'm gonna have to keep this one. Isn't that pretty? And the stars. All right, package number 2. That's me! Ah! No packages were harmed in the filming of this video. I'm gonna get this bubble wrap off here and let you see what these are. This is a 2006 silver proof mint quarter set. It comes in this very nice plastic protective case in case you immediately drop it on the ground. These are actually really nice quarters. There's some interesting toning if you look like right in the center of them. You can see it on the back too. Let's see here. Like right there, you can see a little bit of brown in the middle. I don't know, these are cool. This is the first set of these I've ever bought. And eventually I'll have to crack this open. But for now, this is pretty cool. All right, on to package number 3. That's me. I gotta open this box. Look at all this stuff. Let's figure out what it is. I know y'all are gonna ask, this is just half of a shopping bag that was used as packing material. I actually really like this. Well done. These were sent to me by my buddy, Asthma Geek. He also makes coin rings, and he's working on coin bangles, which are actually pretty sweet. Go check him out, man. Asthma Geek. Awesome dude. Got such a nice little note here. It says, Yo, Kevin. Thanks for the business. Digging the new site. Keep poking the bear on TikTok. Ben. Thanks, Ben. Now, of course, you want to see what I actually got, right? So let's let's check it out. Any guesses? Check this out. Ooh, I got a few of them too. These are gonna make really nice rings. Let's check out the other side. 1 ounce of 0.999 copper. Awesome. Thanks, Ben.